Okay, since I already own the theme, I have the download here that I went to my email and downloaded it. You guys can go ahead and download it once you check out, or you can access your email. It will be there forever for you to download. If it's a different name, that's perfectly fine. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. We're going to go over here to your Shopify panel, and then what we're going to go to is hit this online store button over here, okay? Under it, it's going to be selected the button Themes, all right? This Themes button, if you look to the right side, there's going to be a place here where you could see here there's like this design of a theme, okay? You're going to go down here to Theme Library, and you're going to click Add Theme, okay? So you have Current Theme, Online Store Speed, and then you have Theme Library. Hit Add Theme. Now you're going to have this option that says Upload Zip File. You're going to select that, and what you're going to do is you're going to take that zip file that you downloaded after paying for it. Don't open it up, just take it and drag it and drop it, and then hit Upload. Okay, and so what it's going to do is it's going to upload the theme files for you so that all those apps and all those extra features could be added automatically to your store. Okay, so this is what we're going to do is, as it's currently uploading, we're just going to go ahead and pause the screen here because it could take about a minute or two. Okay, so you guys can see here it's fully uploaded. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to this Actions button and hit the Publish button. And what that's going to do is this theme is going to publish for us. Now, don't worry if the image is not as graphic or whatever that you don't see. Just hit Publish. Don't worry what comes up here. This image is going to be irrelevant for now because we will change some things when we get to it. Now for the theme of the name of the theme, let's go ahead and rename this and call this POD Tutorial Theme. Okay, so the reason why I call it POD Tutorial is because just in case when you upload other themes and you try other things for your store, you want to remember which one is which. And for the one that we're all going to be working on together, we're going to call that the POD tutorial. And remember, keep it published so that we can actually access it. So if we want to take a look at as to how it looks, we can hit this Customize button, that's a green button, select it, and what that's going to do is we're going to actually get to be able to see what our store looks like, right? And so you can see here the first time it takes a little bit to load, but the store looks like this. It's almost like an empty kind of page. Now this is going to all change once I show you guys exactly how to set this all up. So don't worry if it's all empty like this. We're going to work on this together, okay? So let's go ahead and get started into the next lesson, all right?